This is the burner on the left hand side on this unit. The part number is this, as you can see, and I wanted to replace it on the Saga oven. In order to replace it, of course, you're gonna take all your screws out and everything. The top cap, pry it up like this, pull your control board out, disconnect your wires from here, fish it out to the back. The wires are running to the back straight there. The challenging part here is to disconnect these wires and remove the plate out. In order to do that, you can take these two screws out. It's Phillips, and then the hardest part is this ground wire. When you're removing this ground wire, you can use a 10mm socket, and then on top you need a very tiny crescent wrench that you can stick it and hold it, because it kept spinning on me. You can see the element wire is broken from here. You remove this and then you can lift up the whole plate and you place it. In order to remove the back on this unit, this is the plate you remove to pull it out. It's held by 6 screws, and then from there you can replace your part. There's 2 Phillips screws here. I pull out, and yeah, of course you want to disconnect the power 24 hours before you work on it, because you want these plates to be cold, not hot. The element is replaced. After the element, the customer turned on the power, this light was still flashing, so I had to pull the control board out. And if you look on this side, right there, there's a tiny switch. You have to hold it with your finger for 7 to 10 seconds. It resets the whole control board, and then after that the unit starts working perfectly fine. It's getting warm already here.